Welcome to 90 Prospect Street in Wakefield, recently sold by my colleague, Kristen Weekly. Take a look around. This is the caliber of property we're seeing in the market right now. Want first access to homes like this? Join me on Thursday mornings for Broker Tour. I'll show you what's worth your time and your attention. Properties like this move fast, and Broker Tour is where you get the advantage. Thursday mornings, I'll be hitting the best of what's on the market. Follow me and come see exactly what's out there.